Welcome to my channel. Today, we learn how to crochet such a beautiful coaster. Make a magic ring first. Then make a knot. Pull the loop a little longer, then rotating the hook and pulling yarn. Then there are 2 loops on the hook. Pull yarn through the 2 loops together. We take it as the first double crochet. Please remember this skill. We need make such a stitch at the beginning of every round. Next, make 13 double crochet. We get 14 stitches. Mark the last stitch. Pull the tail to close the magic ring. At last, slip into the first stitch. Please use clips to mark the first and last stitch. It will be a great help. Chain 1. Same as the beginning, we make 1 special double crochet. Mark the first stitch. Then make 1 double crochet more into the first stitch. That means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Next 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. Yes, 2 double crochet into every stitch of the first round. We will get 28 stitches at last. Now there are 28 stitches. Slip into the first stitch. Chain 1 and make a special double crochet. That's the first stitch of the third round. Next 2 double crochet into the second stitch of the second round. Next one, double crochet. Next 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. So 1 double, next 2 double, as 1 set. We crochet 14 sets. We'll get 42 stitches at last. Now, the last stitch. Fasten off yarn. Join with the first stitch. Please watch the video carefully. This is a good way to join the beginning and ending tracelessly. Take the green yarn from the first stitch of last round. Chain 1 and make a special double crochet. Be sure to mark the first stitch. Next, chain 3, then 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Next one, double crochet. Chain 3 and make another double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat like that to the end. Fasten off the yarn and join with the first stitch. Still the traceless skill. Change red yarn. Make a knot. Start from one of the 14 spaces. Chain 3. Take it as the first double crochet. Make another 4 double crochet into the same space. Pull out the hook. Then insert hook into the first stitch. In fact, it is the third chain. Next, insert hook into the original loop and pull the loop. Chain 1. We get the first bud. And chain 5 more. Go to next space and make 5 double crochet. Pull out hook and insert into the first stitch. Pull the loop through the first stitch. Chain 1, that's the second bud. We make 14 buds in total. Fasten off the yarn. Join with the first stitch. Chain white yarn again. Make a knot first. Go to the back. We can find there are 2 white stitches between every 2 green stitches. We start from 1. Make a special double crochet. Mark the first stitch. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. We get 2 stitches. Next one, double crochet. Chain 1. Go to next white stitch. Make 2 double crochet into it. Next one, double crochet. Repeat in such rule. Slip into the first stitch. Chain 1 and make a special double crochet. Next one, double crochet. Next to double crochet into 1 stitch. Next one, double crochet. Next one, double crochet. Next one, double crochet. Next to double crochet. Next one, double crochet. That's 2 sets. Repeat in such rule to the end. Ending, we crochet the last stitch. We are going to crochet the last round. Hook goes through the red part. Chain 1 and make a special double crochet. Mark the first stitch. Make a double crochet in the same stitch. Next to double crochet in one stitch. Next one, half double crochet. Next through the top of the bud and make a single crochet. Go to the second big space. First one, half double crochet. Next to double crochet into one stitch. Next to double crochet into one stitch. Next one, half double crochet. Next, through the top of the bud, make a single crochet. Crochet in such rule the last 2 stitches. Through the top of the last bud, we make one single crochet. The last stitch is half double crochet. Hook goes through the first space. Fasten off the yarn. Join with the first stitch as the video. Hide the tail. Now we get the cute, beautiful coaster. Thanks for your company.